Yo, yeah. Yo, I can't click out. I think my oh my so yeah, that just happened. Okay. I'll first create a file on my desktop and I'll name it virus. And a new notepad, I'll just write this string of text and I'm gonna save it as a bat file. Just give it a random name, doesn't really matter. Now, if I click on this bat file, I think it should open and it doesn't. Let me just open the terminal real quick. I'll go to the location of that bat file I just created and I'll try to run it and see what happens. I don't know what this means. I'm not gonna lie. Let me just Google this real quick. After a quick Google search, I got an AI response that I have no idea what it means. I scrolled down for a little bit and I found that it has something to do with remote desktop services. I think I'm gonna look for a different solution, honestly. After just AIing the heck out of this part, I found a different solution that should work hopefully. And I'm gonna create this new file. It's gonna be a VBS file. And in the last bat file that I created, I'll just reference that VBS file. And hopefully this time I should be able to open it. Okay, nice. The VBS file works. Hopefully the bat file, nope, does not work. What did I do wrong? Oops, I'm gonna change that real quick. And finally works. Make things a little more interesting. I'm gonna make this message loop when you click on the bat file. Oh, nice. It's making a message. It's the same thing the other. All right, you know what? I think I'll just activate the remote desktop services. Hopefully that should fix this issue that I'm receiving. All right, I'm just start it now and click OK. And I'm still receiving the same. You know what? The looping part works, so I'll take it. I'll take it. All right, now this is where things start to get a little fun. How about we make an application just pop up? And I'm just gonna start it off the same, line of text. And again, I'm just gonna make it a loop. We're gonna start notepad.exe and let's see what happens. Hopefully this doesn't break my computer. I hope it doesn't. And let me just open it. And oh my goodness. Yo, yeah. Yo, I can't click out. I think my after what happened to my computer last time, I'm gonna be running this on a virtual machine instead because I don't want to break my machine again. But we're gonna combine everything together to one final last virus. Okay, so if I click on this no bat file, it should just be continuous pop-ups and the virtual machine is now frozen. Okay. Last script, we're trashing that. We're switching it up. And hopefully this one should give me the effect that I'm looking for. Okay, this one has the pop-ups, but I don't see anything else happening. All right, I think I gotta go back to the script and fix it one more time. Okay, I edited the script. Now hopefully if I click all these pop-ups, I should get a whole bunch of notepads opening up. And yep, yes. Wait, how would that now hold? If I just adjust these numbers real quick. Just the last notepad, I think. Oh, and I think I broke this virtual machine as well. They don't give this file to someone. No, they won't suspect a thing.